Best Adventure Motorcycles 2025, Suzuki V-Strom 800. As 2025 progresses, the Suzuki V-Strom 800 has cemented its position as one of the best adventure motorcycles in the mid-weight segment. Known for its versatility, reliability, and user-friendly design, the V-Strom 800 continues to appeal to a broad range of riders, from seasoned adventurers to those new to the world of adventure motorcycling. The 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 800 is powered by a newly refined 800 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers a smooth and balanced performance, ideal for both off-road exploration and long-distance touring. This engine provides ample power and torque, making it versatile enough to handle steep climbs and fast highway stretches with ease. Suzuki has also enhanced the engine's fuel efficiency and lowered emissions for 2025, aligning with modern environmental standards and extending the bike's range on a single tank. One of the standout features of the V-Strom 800 is its advanced electronics package. The bike is equipped with Suzuki's Intelligent Ride System and #40, SIRS and #41, which includes traction control, multiple riding modes, and a sophisticated cornering ABS system. These features provide a tailored riding experience that enhances safety and performance in various conditions, whether you're navigating wet city streets or rugged backcountry trails. The V-Strom 800 suspension system has been upgraded for 2025, featuring fully adjustable front and rear shocks that provide a plush ride on diverse terrains. This setup ensures that the bike remains comfortable on long road trips while still being capable of handling more challenging off-road adventures. The bike's 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels, along with durable tires, offer stability and grip across all surfaces. Designed with comfort in mind, the V-Strom 800 includes a wide, adjustable seat, a larger windscreen, and an ergonomic handlebar setup, making it suitable for long-distance riding. The bike also features a new 7-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity, offering navigation, music, and call functionalities, keeping riders connected on their journeys. With its blend of advanced technology, solid performance, and rider-focused design, the 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 800 is a top contender in the adventure motorcycle market. It's the perfect choice for riders seeking a versatile, reliable, and comfortable adventure bike that excels on both pavement and dirt.